You want to film?
I'll let you do first.
Oh, fireworks are already starting.
Oh yeah, last night I was circling around the museum campus area, and there was like something already with fireworks.
Huh.
We
Here it
didn't
comes.
even do anything about it.
Here's the eco disc. All glass Kone. I rode this back in like 2017.
Oh, and they're the same. I see.
What?
Were they the same when you rode it? Like,
Yes. Let's go down to. Actually, we'll get a pic of the seal. Here's my thumbnail. And we get a lovely view of the wall.
yeah, what's the point, honestly?
Honestly, I think it's a crime deterrent. You know.
Oh, there's some people that break in.
Or they don't, so like they don't do shit in here that they
Oh.
don't, you know, so they don't like, you know, assault people in here. Cause like, it's visible. Oh, it lights up green. Very nice. And, whoa, the garage is empty. Except for that guy. That's it.